The question has sometimes been posed to me, how many screwdriver bits does one person need? So here's a sample. About half of this will go to the Repair Cafe events with me, and some of them stay in the toolbox in the car. And I've got a couple, in the house and in other places. But let's see. Got one that's got unusual security bits, tri-wing and things with holes in them, like Torx with the hole in the middle. Then I've got another more ordinary one with posi drive and Robertson square and hex in both metric and SAE type Allen wrenches. And I've got short hex bits and socket wrench drivers. I've got longer ones like that, and some extras thrown in there. Every kit I have is modified with things added. Then I've got 3-inch long, ultra long shaft bits. Along those lines, I've got this nice little kit that came from Harbor Freight, and these are pretty long, and they've got the spanners and tri-wing clutch drive kind of stuff, torque security with holes. So it's nice that they're long. They saved my butt on a couple of things at the Repair Cafe. And I have another security bit kit that I've added to, upgraded. I have a kit here that has, socket wrench and some SAE sockets in it, and a pill vial full of miscellaneous long bits, Phillips and Torx and whatnot. That's the lid for it. And some miscellaneous here in this bag as well. And then we get into the 4mm and even 3mm. So I've got the Harbor Freight Quinn kit, which I've added a few pieces to. And I've got this set here, which might have been a Walmart thing that I added to and upgraded. I've got a 3.5mm set for the really skinny locations that are hard to get at, where things are recessed inside a plastic tunnel. And another set of 4mm stuff that I've modified the kit and added a few things to. And even then, I often have to go searching. There's never one kit that has everything. So, there's your mantra for the day.